Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying the foundation. Set tempo between 60 and 120 BPM and enable swing. This immediately gives groove. Choose instruments: upright piano, double bass, brushes on drums, a soft comping guitar, so textures sit like a small combo. Create a chord track with a Roman 2 VI cadence in the chosen key and arm the piano for comping. Once done, record a couple comp passes to lock harmony. Make sure to save a template for repeat sessions. You move into arranging. Group rhythm tracks into a stack so you can adjust balance instantly. Record short comping loops first, 2 to 4 bars, so you can loop a section while soloing. This keeps timing tight. For bass, record a walking line emphasizing chord roots and guide tones. Once rhythm is solid, record multiple solo takes over the changes. Comping then interacts dynamically with solos. Make sure to leave space in the arrangement for breaths and interplay. You finish by mixing for clarity and vibe. Cut mud around 200-400 Hz, gently boost presence for solos between 2 and 5K Hz, and apply subtle compression to bass and piano to control dynamics. Route the band to a bus and add light bus compression and tape saturation for cohesion. Once done, automate level rides to keep solos audible without squashing dynamics. If timing issues appear, nudge regions or lightly quantize while preserving swing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.